Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share how I make pizza sauce at home from scratch without having to use ton of oil that we normally find in store-bought jars. And if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out any of my weight loss tips, recipes and DIY health home remedies. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's get started. This recipe is very simple. First of all, in a pan, take only a teaspoon of oil, just enough to cook the spices. Now add half a teaspoon of cumin seed. Let them splatter and then add 3 to 4 crushed garlic pods. Let them roast a little bit before you add anything else. Now I'm adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of chili flakes. Roast them for 2 seconds and then add 1 can of chopped tomatoes. One teaspoon salt and 1 chopped green chili, which is optional. I like my sauce little spicy. You can skip this step completely, it's up to you. However, some people like it slightly sweet, so you can add half a teaspoon of sugar here as well. Add 1 tablespoon of dried fenugreek leaves. This will give aromatic flavors and little Indian touch to it. Then let it simmer on low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. Some people don't like to cook it a lot, and some people like to cook it for about 40 to 45 minutes. However, I'm neutral here. Plus, it also depends. If you have a lot of tomatoes to cook, then it will take longer time. So you can see the consistency is almost perfect and it's ready to be served. I not only use this sauce on my homemade pizza, but I also incorporate it in many meals. If you would like to know and if you want me to make a video on that, then let me know in the comments box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching.